Hello children, welcome back to the second session of chapter 15 Economic Development in Social Science class 10. Dear students, in this chapter 15 Economic Development, we shall try to understand the following topics one by one. I have tried to present these topics in the form of notes that can be useful to you at the time of examination. So dear students, let's have a look at all the topics that we are going to study in this chapter. On number 1, we have economic development and economic growth or progress. Here we shall try to understand the basic difference between economic development and economic growth or progress. On number 2, we have features of a developing economy or a country. On number 3, we shall examine the difference between economic activity and non-economic activity. On number 4, we shall study the structure of Indian economy. Next, we have the factors of production, then the distribution of factors of production, and finally, we shall study the features, advantages, and limitations of 3 different economies of the world, such as market system, socialist system, and dual or mixed economy. So dear students, let's get started with the first important topic. What is meant by economic development? Dear students, many world famous economists like Professor Schumpeter, U.K. Hicks, Madison, Kindleberg, and Lewis have tried to explain the meaning of economic development and economic growth or progress in their own way. Through their definitions, we can sum up the meaning of economic development as follows. Economic development means, number 1, constant increase in the national income of a country. I repeat, constant increase in the national income of a country. Second, constant increase in the per capita income of a country. Constant increase in the per capita income of a country. And last, change in the living standard of people. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर देश की नेशनल इनकम बढ़ती हो तो उसकी पर कैपिटा इनकम भी बढ़ेगी, और अगर उसकी पर कैपिटा इनकम बढ़ती है तो लोग खुद पे ज़्यादा खर्च कर सकेंगे और इस प्रकार उनकी लाइफस्टाइल में भी सुधार आएगा. Thus, economic development is a process of social change having many dimensions. Dear students, after independence there is increase in the national income and per capita income of India. For example, in the year 2011 and 12, the national income of India was rupees 87 lakh 36,039 crore, which increased to 1 crore 35 lakh 67,192 crore in 2015 to 16. With the increase in national income, there is increase in India's per capita income too. As a result, there is improvement in the services and facilities such as food, clothing, shelter, education, health, etc., etc. Thus, we can say that economic development is taking place in India. Now, dear students, let's try to compare and contrast the concepts of economic development and economic progress or growth. First, we shall examine their difference on the basis of changes that occur in the country. Point number 1. The increase in the production due to new researches in economy is called economic development. I repeat, the increase in the production due to new researches in economy is called economic development. On the other hand, the increase in the production due to the increase in the factors of production is called economic progress or growth. I repeat, the increase in the production due to the increase in the factors of production is called economic progress or growth. For example, increase in the agricultural production due to the researches in hybrid seeds can be called economic development, while the increase in the agricultural production due to the increase in the agricultural land can be called economic progress or growth. Dear students, let's try to understand this point of difference with an example. Dear students, suppose there are two friends, both are farmers. एक का नाम है नरेंद्र भाई और दूसरे का नाम है डोनाल्ड भाई. बच्चों, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि मैंने यही नाम क्यों पसंद किए, तो इसका जवाब मैं आपको एंड में दूंगा. ओके. हाँ, तो इन दोनों फार्मर्स की प्रेजेंट कंडीशन इस प्रकार है. नरेंद्र भाई है और डोनाल्ड भाई. Both of them want to make maximum economic gain through farming, but there is vast difference in their conditions. For example, Narendra Bhai's farm is small in size, while that of Donald Bhai is large. Narendra Bhai still plows his farm with bullocks, while Donald Bhai uses tractors. Narendra Bhai's farm still depends on rainy season, while Donald Bhai farm enjoys best irrigation facility, and that too 24/7. Narendra Bhai uses traditional seeds, while Donald Bhai uses improved hybrid seeds. As a result, every year Donald Bhai gets more agricultural production than Narendra Bhai. Now on 1st January, they have new plans for the new year. New year resolutions. Narendra Bhai thinks of changing his method of farming to develop his agriculture so that he can increase his income. On the other hand, Donald Bhai, who has already developed his agriculture, thinks of buying some more agricultural land so that he can increase his income. Thus, you can see that in economic development, the process of development is still going on. New researches are going on to increase the production. अगर सरल शब्दों में कहें तो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस अभी चल रही है. ऑन दी अदर हैंड, इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस या इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ में प्रोसेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट कब की कंप्लीट हो चुकी है और अब ये अगले स्टेप पर प्रोग्रेस भी कर चुका है. बच्चों, यही सिचुएशन हमारे देश भारत और यूएसए में है. हम भी चाहते हैं कि हम यूएसए की स्पीड से आगे बढ़ें, हम भी दुनिया की इकोनॉमिक सुपर पावर बनें, लेकिन क्या करें, हमारी प्रोग्रेस के रास्ते में ओवर पॉपुलेशन, सोशल बैकवर्डनेस, इलिटरेसी, पॉवर्टी, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जैसे बड़े बड़े स्पीड ब्रेकर्स खड़े हैं. दूसरी तरफ देखें तो यूएसए इन स्पीड ब्रेकर्स को कब का पीछे छोड़ आया है और बिना रुके आगे बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। हमारा देश अभी डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस में है, जबकि यूएसए कब का डेवलप हो चुका है। Now dear students, let's come to the second point of difference, which is based on the development process. It says that economic development is a qualitative process, whereas economic growth or progress is a quantitative process. यानी इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव करके प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज करने की बात होती है, जैसे फर्स्ट पॉइंट में नरेंद्र भाई करने जा रहे हैं। जबकि इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ या इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस में अब सिर्फ क्वांटिटी बढ़ाकर प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज करने की बात होती है, क्योंकि यहाँ क्वालिटी तो ऑलरेडी इम्प्रूव हो चुकी है, जैसे डोनाल्ड भाई के केस में, राइट। इस प्रकार हम कह सकते हैं कि किसी भी देश के लिए इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट फर्स्ट स्टेज होता है, और जैसे ही इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट का फर्स्ट स्टेज एकम्प्लिश हो जाता है तो दूसरा स्टेज शुरू हो जाता है, जिसे हम इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस या इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ कहते हैं, राइट। बच्चों, अब हम आते हैं लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस पे, जो हमें बताएगा कि कौन सी प्रोसेस किस प्रकार के देश में देखी जा सकती है। सो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट इज सीन इन द डेवलपिंग नेशंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, जैसे कि चाइना है, इंडिया है, पाकिस्तान और ब्राज़ील है, जहां पर अभी भी डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस चल रही है, और इसीलिए इन नेशंस को डेवलपिंग नेशंस कहा जाता है। ऑन द अदर हैंड, इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस और ग्रोथ इज सीन इन द डेवलप्ड नेशंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, जैसे कि यूएसए है, यूके है, फ्रांस और जापान है, जहां पर डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, और इसलिए इन नेशंस को डेवलप्ड नेशंस कहा जाता है। So dear children, these were the main points of difference between economic development and economic growth or progress. I hope you understood them well. So that's all in today's session. See you soon with a new topic and a new hope of learning. Till then, wish you all the very best with today's learning. Bye.